Alright, what we need to do now is to make sure that your domain name is linked or added to your hosting account. So this is going to be module number 2. Now let me walk you through the steps here. Very simple. We now need to add your domain to your hosting account, and I'm actually considering that you've already changed your domain's name servers and pointed them to your web hosting. But it may be something that you haven't done yet. So let me show you how to first find your actual name servers. If you registered, and this is what I've done, all right, I've tried several hosting services, and for the last 2 years I have used a HostGator website, actually web hosting account, and I'm 100% satisfied. I really like them. They have a 24 hours a day, 7 days a week customer service through phone, chat, email, and they respond very quickly. So it's really, they're impeccable. So this is my preferred choice. If you already registered and you have a hosting account with HostGator, well, what you can do now is just basically scroll down in the control panel. All right, you need to access the control panel, and once you log into the control panel, you're going to scroll down to the bottom, and on the left side you're going to see right here your name servers. You need to copy those two, put them in a file somewhere because you're going to refer to them, but these are your hosting, your name servers basically. All right, so next thing we do is we go to that GoDaddy, and if you have not reserved your domain name, like I showed you on the previous video, well, reserve your domain name. As you go through the step, one of the steps showed domain registration information, and underneath that there was step number 2, your domain settings. This is where you normally click on actually, let me back off a little bit. I'm going to show you exactly so you're not lost here. Give me just 1 second. It's going to load. Okay, so let's say I want to register this domain, for example. Okay, yeah, this is where it is. Okay, you would be at the step 1. You click here and set name servers. Mine is already open, but normally it says set name servers. You click on that and this little window appears. This is where you input your 2 name servers, just like they are shown in your control panel at the bottom here. There's 2. Okay, so this is where you put them. Now if you already registered your domain name and you have not set your host, your name servers here, no worries. I'm going to show you where to go to do this. Okay, so what you'll do is you'll log into your GoDaddy account. Once you're logged in, what you'll want to do is you go here under My Account and you click on My Products. Okay, it's going to take you to this page, and on this page on the left side it shows Domains and Domain Manager. You click on it. It takes you to this other page here. And these are, this is the list of all of your domain names that you registered. If you have only one, that's fine. You'll see only one, but I have several. So what you'll do is you will click on the one that you want to modify. So you click on it. It shows you this screen here, all the details. And right at the bottom, whoops, let me scroll up here. Yeah, just underneath here, it shows set name servers. So you click on it. And this is where you would say, I have specific name servers for my domains. You would click on that, and it's going to show you those again, the name servers 1, name server 2, and you input again your HostGator name servers that you saw in your control panel. Once that's done, you click OK, and it's going to process. It can take a couple hours before your domain name is linked to your hosting account, but at least it's going to be taken care of. Okay, so let's go back to that control panel. Now we have linked we added basically your domain name to your hosting account. So let's go back to your control panel. Okay, once you're in your HostGator control panel, you'll scroll down to, you see here it says add-on domains. Add-on domains. So you're going to add on, this domain here. Once you click on that, it's going to ask you, so you're going to basically enter your information here. Okay, so your new domain name. So you're just going to type your new domain name without the www. Just put in the domain name .com or .org or .net, whatever, and it's going to repeat here. And it's going to ask document root. Forget about this. Well, let me just show you. Team Elite. Okay, so it's done. So it's going to create it automatically. Okay, this is going to fill the password. You're going to create a password if you want to access through FTP, but you normally won't need this. Enter the password. You enter the password again, and it's going to show you if it's too weak or it's a strong password. That's fine. And then you click add domain. All right, once it's done, what you'll want to do is you'll basically we will go to step number 2, which is to now install WordPress, because WordPress is one of the most user-friendly website building platforms out there. And not only that, the search engines, they love WordPress. So search engines love the structure and layout of WordPress blogs. That's why we will create our website using WordPress platform. It's very simple to get started with your WordPress from your hosting control panel. Let me go back here. Let's say you're here. What you'll do is just click home. All right, it takes you back to that hosting control panel. You scroll down and you look for that smiley face right here. It says Fantastico Deluxe. You click on it. Oops. Yeah, you click on it and it takes you right here. Normally it's the Fantastico home. All right, you're at that home page here. Okay, so what you'll do is it's very simple. All you need to do is you're gonna click on WordPress right here on the left side. Okay, and then you're gonna click on New Installation. Okay, and it's going to take you to this page here. This is where you're going to select the domain name that you've added to your hosting account. So if you have several, you're going to click the one that you want. All right, and here is where, if you say I want my blog or my WordPress blog to be in a special directory, so it would not be your home page. Like, for example, if your website is keywordreviewed.com, and if people type in keywordreviewed.com, it wouldn't be your blog. It would be just another page that you designed somewhere else. Well, your blog should be hosted under a different directory. Well, we will not create a directory. We're just going to make your WordPress as your home page. So when people go to keywordreviewed.com, it's going to be your WordPress blog right there. But if, for any reason, sometimes people already have a website, they want to create a blog, so they're going to say, okay, I'm going to call it blog. So on your website, you're going to have your main website, and there's going to be a link to your blog. So they click on it, it's going to take them to keywordreviewed.com/blog, and that's going to be your WordPress. Okay, so I'm not doing this. I'm making my blog as my home page. This is administrator username, so you're going to just type in the username you want to use to log into your WordPress and modify your website. The password you created. Admin. All right, so you're gonna just enter your admin nickname. So you can choose. You don't need that. All right, I don't put it there. You input your email and the site name. All right, both of these are very important here. The site name and the description. Okay, and I have used many combinations of titles or site names and descriptions for my websites. Here's what you need to do. You will be able to actually change those later inside the WordPress platform in the settings section. But the site name, this will be your domain name with spaces. Okay, so if your domain name is keywordreviewed.com, well, you should type in keywordreviewed, and that's it. That's your site name. The description, this should actually include your keyword once, all right, a maximum twice, and it should be interesting to read. So it should also not exceed 12 words. So some examples could be is keyword a scam? Discovered the truth. You know, things like that. All right, so it's catchy, so people want to read. They want to click on your website if they see it on the search engine. All right, it's the description that they see besides the title or the site name. All right. After you entered your username and password, title, description, and email, you click Install WordPress button, and you will be taken to another page, and it's going to ask to finish installation, and you just click on finish installation and you're done. After you're done with this installation, we'll begin the process of setting up your website.